Welcome back, beautiful souls. It's been a year since my first home tour on this channel. So today, I'm giving you an update of the space. I'll share the things I love, the things that need improvement, and future projects. So meet me in the living room. Okay, guys, we are in the living room, and a lot has happened since the last time we toured this space. So, the biggest transformation of this space was and is the accent wall, guys. I will make sure that I link the video of how it looked last year in the description. But I really like the entertainment wall. Before, I had a console in between the two green chests, and I decided to take the console away and make the two consoles look like one console, guys, and I think it turned out really, really good. All the stuff that I used was items that I already had, so I didn't go out and purchase anything. I just switched a few pieces around. This artwork used to be over the bathroom door, and I thought it would be a perfect addition in this space. I removed all the baskets from the wall, and guys, I still need to find artwork that would enhance this space, but I'll just wait and leave it blank until I find something that I really, really like. I also added a rug, but before I talk about the rug, I'm gonna talk about the coffee table. I did a little coffee table update, guys, and I think this turned out really, really good. And I added the rug when my sister came to visit me in May. The space was just too dark, so I had this rug packed away, and I said, well, I'm going to use it because I need something to lighten and brighten the space, and it served its purpose, guys. But guess what? It has got to go because it is, let me see, it is too tiny. So I am going to see if I can find another black and white rug that would actually fit under the legs of my fainting couch. And then I think that will work out really, really good. So other than that, okay, I added this little metal piece, and it was something that my daughter gave me, and it was leaning up against the wall, and I said, let me just hang it on the wall. So I put that there, and I added one of my pieces of art, and I said, not so bad. So it's working for now, guys. Last year, this space didn't have an entryway at all, guys. I created this teeny tiny entryway, and I think it turned out really, really good. For the most part, everything is working. Now, I do need to get a decorative flower pot, and I would like to buy some more house plants to add to the shelf. It serves its purpose quite nicely, guys. And this was also created using items that I already had. I haven't done much to this area, at least I don't think. I added maybe I did, guys. I'm trying to think back in my mind. I added the bookshelves. I think they were already here, guys, and then I just put my little touches with the Dollar Tree baskets the Dollar Tree canvas bins. And I added the blue and white pottery that my daughter gifted me years ago. And the seashell, guys, I've had this for eons, but I love it. I've had these pieces for quite a while also. And yes, guys, I have a lamp standing over in the corner, and I found it at a thrift store, and I really like it, guys, so it's gonna have to stay there until I find my home. Okay, guys, I created an office space, and this is where I do my work. And it's small, guys, but it's efficient. Underneath, I have a shredder and I have a basket where I house things. And this also has a drawer, and I'm not going to open it, guys, that houses a lot of stuff as well. So this is efficient, guys, and I like it. The addition of the picture, I think it just kind of made everything work cohesively with everything else in the space. Guys, this is one of the projects that I abandoned in the beginning of the year because I re-hurt my arm. So this has been on the back burner, but since I'm doing better, I am going to finish this. I called it my boutique cabinet makeover, and this is where I'm going to put my purses and my jewelry and extra stuff that I have because I don't have much closet space, guys. So this is definitely a project that is going to be at the top of my to-do list, guys. And basically, look, it is a catch-all for all of my stuff. So we are going to get this together. I still have artwork that I need to hang on the wall, but guys, I'll get to it when I get to it. Coming around, I'm getting ready to go into the bedroom, but first I have my jewelry case that I really need to find a way to store it because, guys, it's out of the way, but it's really not working. I actually just have it laying up against my chest of drawers. So this is another project that is going to be on the top of my to-do list. This is my chest of drawers. This was another project that I had abandoned, but it'll go back on the to-do list, guys. I think I am going to keep the finish as is, and I am just going to maybe change out the hardware. If I can find the extra pieces that go with this hardware, the original hardware, guys, I will definitely keep it. So next I am going to go in the kitchen, guys, and I'm going to save the bedroom for last. There were changes made in the kitchen, guys. I'm going to open up the curtains. As you recall, I have made several changes to what I call my accent wall. Before, guys, this wall was white, and then I painted it Truly Olive by Bear, and I had the first thing I did was a gallery wall with all of my treasured items. And I also created a Christmas gallery wall. Now, since it's summer, I decided to go with something that's light and airy, and I think this picture is doing the trick. I added some animal print wallpaper inside the cabinet so you wouldn't see all of the stuff that's in there, guys. And I love this. And really, it's not wallpaper, guys, it's wrapping paper. I think it ups the ante of the cabinet. I also hung white curtains, and guys, this is actually a shower curtain that I folded in half, and then I put it on the rod and added those little clips. No sewing was involved here. What I am going to do is these little grommets, I am going to find the perfect ribbon, and I'm going to weave it in and out of the grommet. So I think that'll add a little more color in the kitchen as well. So I'll probably stick with the green and yellow, the theme that I have going on already in the apartment. I'm still working on my little coffee station here. There are a few things that I need to do behind the station. I need to remove all of this old caulk and re-caulk it again, guys, and it looks like this all the way around. And I think once I do that, that'll make it look a lot better, guys. I have been living with this for 4 years now, and I think it's time to do something about that. I don't think much has changed here, guys, since my space is so tiny. This is the area where I store my fruits and some of my veggies, and I use my Ninja every day, guys, so it has to be on top of the counter. But I did put it in a green basket that I got from Walmart, that I got from the Dollar Tree. And inside this basket is one of my treasured items. My sister gave this to me, and this is a keeper. Nothing has changed on the top, and I added these shelves shortly after I moved in to the apartment, so nothing else has changed there, guys. So now we are going to head into my favorite space in the entire apartment, which is my bedroom, guys. I love this bedroom, and I feel so good when I come in here. When I walk by it, I just smile, guys. This bedroom was created with it was created with a lot of things that I already had. And then I was fortunate enough to have a gift card to buy the white bedding. And I just like this space, guys, so I'm going to take you around. The end tables were a DIY project. I purchased these from a yard sale years ago, and I painted them. Well, I spray painted them, guys, and then I was so hasty that before the paint dried, I peeled off the tape, and this is what happened, guys. So this was a oops that went right for me, because I love how that looks. I don't have anything on the top of my nightstand except for my lamps. Now, if I bring out water, I do have a tray that I can sit it in, but for the most part, guys, I'm right here by the kitchen. I can just walk in the kitchen and get something to drink. I purchased these lamps from, not lamps, I'm sorry. I purchased these mirrors from Walmart, and I love them. I think they work really, really well with what I have going on in this space. And guys, this picture, let me come out. See, can I get close? I took it at a reserve that's nearby. And believe it or not, the frame, it was created by using an old privacy fence. I'll get up closer so you guys can see it. Look at the texture, guys. Is that not amazing? It's amazing. I think so. I really do. I love it. The bed is a little elegant and the frame is rustic. So now, guys, I am going to definitely be putting a link in the description. I saved this bed from the landfill, and it was brown when I retrieved it from the side of the road. I painted the bed Truly Olive by Bear, and then to up the ante just a bit, I added gold paint in the fluting and on the applique. The stools I reupholstered in this bold ECAT, and I also painted the base of the stool gold, and that ties in with the gold that's on the bed. And guys, I added this zebra print rug, and I think it just adds a pop of the unexpected to the space. As you can see, guys, the bed is really, really simple, but it does make quite the statement. So future projects in here, I need to add a piece of glass to that bottom shelf. I'm a curtain girl, guys, so I'm thinking about adding a rod above the top of the closets and buying some fabric and covering the closet doors, and also adding some fabric right here in the kitchen door, just to soften the space up a bit. I love this space. It is my favorite, and I will be sure to put a link in the description, guys. So guys, a lot of things have happened since my very first YouTube video, and there are still some things that I would like to do. Guys, that's it for this week. So until next time, chat soon.